matter so much.
Without it.
But you don't. What the hell is wrong with you?
Get out of here.
Hey, I just gotta tell you, you look fabulous.
You caught me on a bad date. You get the fuck out of my face, you fucking shit for brains. I'll destroy you if you try me again.
死遠啲啦你！
Damn.
淨係睇住你，我已經想又屙又嘔啦！
Oh shit!
你哋想搞事啊？
Hey, you remember this shit when you're getting your teeth fixed. This is all you.
Hey,
what?
Whoa.
Are you kidding me? How does it feel to be...
No, what were you saying?
Aren't you friendly?
For a whopping 5.2 million. The emails reveal that a student...
You're a natural!
What? Crap! Ow! Ah! Ah! What I don't get is, if I use...
Oh, yeah. You treat me like shit, man. You want to hit me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, big man. Of course you want to hit me. Because all you want to do is hit me. So go ahead. Go ahead
fuck
and
yourself
hit me.
and your family
Oh,
and your dog.
Okay, why?
Just open.
Sure.
Douche.
Yeah.
Get a hold of yourself.
Hey, just chill, dog.
Drop dead, loser.
Oh, I see.
You want some of this? Suck it. Stay right there. You're under arrest. What?
Hey, what's up?
What's the matter, Danny? You never taken a shortcut before?
You know what I'm saying? I don't go there to drink until a bouncer tells me to stop and then just sit around chatting. I'm not crazy, right?
You're pathetic. Go fuck yourself.
Until you've read the phrase, lubricate the applicator before insertion.
Whoa!
Did you hear
Hey,
him?
you!
Please, I'm not
Don't
letting you take
move!
me in. Not my...
Just
What
my
is going on?
May I speak with a Mr. Chen, please?
阿陳唔喺度啊！
I'm sorry, Mr. Chen?
阿陳唔喺度啊，唔好意思，
I'm so glad I got in touch with you.
我唔識講英文，
My good friend Marcy Wilkins gave me your number as an acupuncture reference.
我唔知你噏乜啊！
My sciatica is acting up. I was thinking Tuesday at 3?
你講咩話？
Wonderful. Thank you so much. I'll see you Tuesday. Bye-bye.
再見。
I don't know. I'm a...
This guy is gonna end it. And then drop off any left.
Hey, watch for the
SFPD, cease and desist. Hands behind your back.
Alter these coordinates and take care of the problem.
Neutralizing the suspect. What's that?
Whoa, please, please, don't. Oh my God. Oh God. Please.
Lifeline sequence initiated. Temperature
What's going on?
I can show you